Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows 11 Start menu transparent. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Windows 11 offers a transparent Start menu by default, providing a sleek and modern appearance. However, Microsoft might introduce changes and updates over time. If you want to ensure that your Start menu is transparent, or explore further customization options, follow these general steps. So the first step would be, go to the settings. In the settings window, choose personalization. In the personalization menu, choose colors from the left sidebar. Look for the option called Transparency Effects. Toggle the switch to turn transparency on or off. And if you preferred, you can also customize accent colors that may affect the overall appearance, including transparency. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.